Hi, this is Pixel Desk, and welcome to another Excel lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be covering combo charts. A combo chart is a combination of two or more charts in Excel. So it can be either a column chart and a line chart, a bar chart and area chart, line chart and area chart, so on. But instead of saying it, let me show you first. So we have this data set here from a company that has done marketing for some product, and they're tracking how much they earned and how much they spent in this campaign. So we have our months here, January to December. We have how much the company spent on the first ad, how much was spent on the second ad, and the total expense between both ads. Next, we have the number of people that clicked on the ad and went to the website or went to the product page. And then dollars per click, which is comparing how much we spent to how many clicks we got on the ad. So let's begin by selecting the month, ad 1, ad 2, and the total expense. Let's go to Insert, go to Column Charts, and select this first option. So this is just our classic column chart. We have add 1, add 2, and our total expenditure. But I want our total expense to show up as a line chart above these two columns. For that to happen, we need to convert this to a combo chart. There are three ways of converting a chart into a combo chart. One is to click on the chart. Up here in the ribbon, we have chart design. And under chart design, you can change the chart type. The second method is to select the chart, right click, and go to change chart type. And the third method is to select the chart, go to insert, and go to this option here, the sixth option, which is insert combo chart. And you can create a custom combo chart from here, or select one of these three options. I'm going to right click and go to change chart type. And here we have all the possible charts you can have in Excel. And at the bottom, we have our combo chart. Let's click on that. And now you can see by default that it has made this chart of add 1 and add 2 being a clustered column, and the total expense being a line chart. We can also use this drop down here to change these charts into whatever we want, like a stacked column. I'm going to change this back to clustered column, and I'm going to continue with line for total. But here in total also, we can change it to an area chart, a pie chart, and so on. Another thing that you can do with combo charts is to convert one of the data sets into a secondary axis. This is useful when the data is on a higher spectrum of difference, where basically there's one data set with a very low value and another with a very high value, and they're unable to be seen in the same axis. So in that case, one of them will be converted into the secondary axis. We'll discuss this in detail a little later in the lesson. For now, let's just hit OK. And now we have this new chart with our add 1 and add 2 expense in the clustered column, and the total expense is in a line chart.
And remember, if you want to grow your career fast, sign up for our masterclass and course in the description below. It has exclusive and premium content with thousands of other students and professionals. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
We can also click on this, right click, go to change chart type, and here I can change what the total spend will show up like on the chart. I can make it maybe an area. We can also go over here and customize this by going to Format Data Series and selecting just the area chart. And we can fill it with whatever color we want. Like if I actually wanted it to be a lighter gray or maybe just white, we can do that as well. But I'll leave customization for a later lesson. So now that we've seen the basics of the combo chart, let's cover the secondary axis. So I'll delete this chart and we're going to select our clicks and dollar per click. So first let me select the months, then I'll hold control and select these two columns. I'll go over to column chart and just make a normal clustered column. But as you can see, we have very, very small orange columns and these tall blue columns. We are hardly able to see the dollars per click in this chart. And the reason for that is our dollars per click is actually a very, very small value compared to our clicks. These are hardly crossing 1.5 and 1.7, and our clicks are going to the hundred thousands or lakhs. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll convert this into a combo chart. So let's select this, go to chart design and change the chart type. We go down to combo, and here we can see that Excel has suggested that we use dollars per click as a line chart. We'll hit OK. But still we can see that even though we have made this line chart, these values are so small that on this chart, we are hardly able to see the fluctuations in value. The line is coming closer to zero. So how we'll fix this is we'll select this chart, go right click and go to change chart type. And in this dollar per click, we'll make it on the secondary axis. Now if we hit OK, we can see that the fluctuations in the data values is a lot easier to be seen. So converting dollars per click to the secondary axis, we have added the smaller axis which is specifically tailored to accommodate the lower values of these dollars per click column. And now we are able to see that in the months of August and September, our dollars per click were higher than our clicks. This is a trend we wouldn't have been able to see before. So that was how to make combo charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.
And remember, if you want to grow your career fast, sign up for our masterclass and course in the description below. It has exclusive and premium content with thousands of other students and professionals. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.